morning, wish every enthusiast and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. You know, I've traveled a lot over the years with trucking. One place I've never been to is British Columbia, Canada. To me, it's a mystery. To me, I picture mountains, the Rocky Mountain Range. I picture crystal clear water, the national parks, skiing. It's Haida Gwaii, it's Kamloops, it's Kelowna. It's all these different things. It's Chilliwack, a famous Canadian 80s band from the late 70s, early 80s, I believe. And what else is there? It's also the home of Highland Springs Shave Company out of Cranbrook, BC. This is also their so-called Mystic. We're going to be giving this a go today. I've been waiting for this to come in with the matching aftershave splash. New formulations, new labeling, wonderful scent on here. I'll get into that in a minute. Chris and Mary Troniak are the people that own and operate this company. I know that my buddy JB, Distorted Shaving, has done a few shave reviews with it. Great products. And today, Thirsty Badger Travel Shave Set. This is the V1. I've got the V2 coming soon. He just showed me some prototypes of it, or some versions he's got going. It's made to fit my 3-inch carve. Chistopher Bradley Company has also come out with their open comb, which I've been dying to use, so I finally got it, so we'll give this a go. The open comb. And of course the Boschkop, my favorite blade. So we'll get this assembled for you guys. So, tell you what, so how does this work? This comes out, and you've got your leather bowl, which you've seen me use in other videos, is logo on the back. Like I said, it's V2, and I'll post pictures. It's coming up very soon, so I'll tell you what, guys, I'm going to get this lather built up, and then we're going to do just a quick little video collage, or a little picture collage for you, let you see that for a minute while I'm getting this geared up. So we'll be right back. Thanks. Hey guys, we're back. We have got our lather built up in the 3D lather bowl. The scent on this is really nice. The soap, as you can see, is quite firm. It's a vegan-based soap. Scent notes on this one are amber, patchouli, rose, sandalwood blends with jasmine and citrus. Really nice. It's different. It's not like anything. It's got a great scent to it. I know some people, the scent is so subjective. But for me, this is way up. We'll put Poseidon to work. I just got this brush recently. I bought it on second hand from Sean Mullen of Mel Grooming in Ontario, Canada. So it's come back to the East Coast, back home. First time using it, I've been saving it up for this shave.
It's the smiles that keep us going, don't you think?
Just waiting for everything to come in. I've been waiting for that carb to come in when Chris Kirchen came out with the open comb. So I've been anxious to try that. Now, from what I can figure with the open combs, they're more aggressive than the straight bar. So I've got the C and the D plate in the straight bar, and from what I can figure, these you step up, it's a step down. So this is a C plate, which would be the equivalent of the D. And I'll post information on that too. So then we'll give this a go. I talked about this razor, this comb quite extensively in my Canadian video, the Canadian products video, which I will post a link to over the shoulder, I believe. It's a good combination. HSSC. This open comb is just loving this. Great feel to it. The scent of that mystic just filling my nostrils is just, you guys, you've got to check this stuff out. Just, wow, really good. It's not super overpowering. It's a bit stronger than some of the other scents are, in my opinion, but I really love it. That's almost good enough right there. But I will post links to Highland Springs. They sell a number of different scents, vegan based. I have got the citrus, peppermint, the Havana Vieja from Santa Company. They also sell brushes and I know they sell razor blades. I think they might also carry some razors. I know the brushes are Parker's, hand soaps, and they're busy constantly working on different scents. And I just got this recently, and he also sent me a big sample of his Kootenai Blue, which is a very nice. It's kind of cologne-y for my liking. I know a lot of guys would like that. So it's got a very nice smell. So, I don't put a huge lather. I don't have a super coarse beard, so I can get away with not having a super huge lather. So. Pass number 2 with the Karve. Gonna go across the green. Yeah, this way. So far, really enjoying this combination. The soap, the open comb, Chris Kirchen, this is a winner. Love this. I might even splurge and go up and get the or order the D plate. Cause this is just, yeah, hell of a razor. Now my buddy Distorted Edge Shaving has done a number of videos using Highland Springs, and so has my buddy Lyle Navard the Sask shaver, so I will post links to those guys over my shoulders from time to time. You'll see the little icon pop up. You can click on that either during the video or at the end. Just click on the little eye again, and it'll take you to open up the links, and you can just click on those and go watch their videos. So far, bless it. Really, really nice. So, you know what? As usual, I'm going to do a tidy up on my neck. Just do another quick pass. As soon as Jared Francais of Thirsty Badger sends me the V2, which I'm really excited to see, I will definitely be doing a video with that, showcasing that. The ladder slots, the ribbing, is different than what this one is. It's also, as far as I know, supposed to have space under the insert for soap. And as far as I know, he's also taken it upon himself to put my logo in the lid of it, which is very cool. It's amazing what you can do with 3D printers. Beautiful stuff. Like I said, you can see the peaks on that. Just the slickness is really, really nice. Guys, compared to last week's shave, when I tried to use 2 straight razors at the same day and time, this is easy. My cousin ever easy shave compared. Just a little bit. We're back, we're all cleaned up. Oh, okay, slid a little weeper into there, but not worried about it. Freshly waxed, good to go. And now it's time for the magic splash. Witch hazel, give it a shake. It was waiting, Chris and Mary were waiting for their new labels to come in, so wow, love this. As usual, guys, I'm at the girlfriend's house, and I'm going to go downstairs a little while and see what she thinks of this. She's busy working right now, so when she's done, she works from home. I'll go see what she thinks. That is just friggin' awesome. Yeah, perfect. So what you do when you're a Thirsty Badger 3D lather bowl, give a rinse out, put your insert back in, make sure it's sitting there properly, you got your spot there, your blade goes here, there's also another spot underneath there for spent blades. This one's for my car, so handle goes in there. I've got my straight bar right there, that one there. Top plate sits right in there. Screwed on, and we are good to go for our next shave. So anyway, guys, quick recap from the mysterious British Columbia, Canada, specifically Cranbrook, Highland Springs soap, or shave soap. This is just simple. You gotta check this out. Great lather on it, vegan based, matching aftershave. 3D printed Thirsty Badger lather bowl. This is the version 1. He's got a version 2, and I'll put links. From Spiffo Grooming, 24mm synthetic Poseidon. Really nice brush. Like I said, got this one secondhand. I've also got the Badger, which I love the Badger. But, yeah. And just, wow. Very, very cool shave. Very happy with everything. It was well worth the wait for this one. So anyway, guys, I hope you have an awesome week. If you have comments, suggestions, good, bad, and different, please leave them below. And, yeah, we'll see you again in a few days. You know, you take care. Bye-bye.